Okay, so the shade that I used was, so dazzling. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Sky's the Limit. Hmm. Also, I know my hands is ashy. What if I be doing makeup with greasy ass hands? I'll be touching my face and shit. No. So now the shade I'm gonna go into, what's this shit called? Indigo. Okay, like that. Bring those edges. Okay. Really? Okay. So the same concealer that I used to prep my eyes, that's what I'm gonna use to cut the crease. And I'm gonna use this small ass brush because I ain't trying to, I'm not buying with no halo eyeshadow. I'm telling you that right now. My kids be like loud for no fucking reason. I like this palette because it got a mirror in there. So I'm just gonna. Alright, so y'all know I got hooded eyes. See that natural fold right there? I'm gonna have to cut it right up here. Because when I look up, you're not gonna be able to see it. See what I'm saying? Now you can see it. See that fold right there? Yeah, that's good. I don't know. People do halo eyeshadow all kind of different ways. I don't freaking know. I'll be experimenting and see what works for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this eye with y'all and do the other one off camera because okay. Yeah. Look at that blend though. That's one thing I ain't fuck up on is the blend. Let's see. You know what? I'm just gonna be like, Tasha, what are you doing? Girl, I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Trying to do a halo eyeshadow. It's just another form of cut crease. That's all it is. I'll be back, y'all. I'm gonna have a different shape when I come back. I don't fucking know what I'm doing right now. Okay, y'all, I'm back. This is the shade that I got. Like I said, halo eyeshadow is just another form of cut crease. The same colors that I use, I'm just gonna pack them on. And I'm also gonna put like a glitter in the middle. We're gonna see what it do. You heard me? Okay, so Let me take the Access concealer. This is the part I'll be fucking up on. So I'm gonna go back into. Wait, I used the brown first, didn't I? Okay. Probably should have used a smaller brush. I don't feel like dirtying another brush. Okay, I'm back. I got a smaller brush, and basically I'm going in with that first, second transition color, the second one, and the third. That's what I'm doing. See, the shapes are different. Oh my god. See what I mean? I think for the rest of the week, I need to do damn halo eyeshadows because the struggle is real. What was that first shade? Okay, so the first shade was So Dazzling. I'm going in with Sky's the Limit. I'm gonna fix this shape. I can tell it's gonna turn out way better than yesterday. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shade, excuse me, Indigo. Get my eyelash glue. Okay, so far this is what I got. Guys, come through. I forget. I forget. Ooh, way better than yesterday. See, practice made perfect. Okay, I'm back. I am unable to find my NYX glitter primer, so I'm gonna use my good old dual glue. It ain't never failed me. So if you ain't got no glitter adhesive, use some damn eyelash glue. I've seen it done, and it does not harm your damn eyes. Now, if you're sensitive, don't do it. Period. Oh fuck, I'm tripping. Bitch, I didn't set my own concealer with nothing. The fuck? You know what? I'm just gonna pack this gray shade over that concealer. It's in the shade Headliner. I almost forgot. That glitter. Oh Lord. I would have messed with this whole look. Okay, so now I'm going in with this shade. I really like this palette. Good job, Morphe. Good job. You see that line right there from the glue. But it's gonna get covered up anyways. Here, see, now I have to go back into Jesus. I'm losing all those colors. And I can totally mess up this look too. Come on, Tasha. Come on, Tasha. Come on, girl. Because them colors be getting lost. Okay. I'm burning up now. I need to find my next glitter primer. That's like my favorite freaking glitter adhesive. Whatever. I'm gonna make this work. Because I don't know where it is. That's crazy. I'll be misplacing stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use Pure Poison. This is by a company called Glamour Eyes by Char. And you can use my discount code Tasha Mac with 2 Ks. I will leave that in the description box down below. So this is the glitter. It's chunky and fine mix. Okay. I don't know where my glitter primer is. I don't want the fallout on my face. That's why I'm like, ah. So I just want a little sparkle, you know. I gotta find my glitter primer though, cause I'm really like winging it. Okay, baby. That's some good damn coffee, okay? But anyways, let me do this eye. And Charmaine, she be filling these jars up to the max, okay? I'm just not trying to have this glitter fall on my face. I already did my face makeup. Oh, this glitter go perfect with this look. Oh, yeah, now I want more glitter on the other side. Oh, baby. Yeah, I gotta put some more on this side. Because I put too much on the other side. I had to be to write it back.